Hey fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things health and wellness. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most underrated yet incredibly effective workout tools, battle ropes. You might have seen them swinging around at the gym and wondered what all the fuss is about. Well, wonder no more. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the numerous benefits of battle ropes, from how they can transform your entire body to why they're such a fantastic addition to any fitness routine. We'll break down how battle ropes can provide a full body workout, enhance your cardiovascular health, and even help with weight loss. Plus, we'll cover how they can improve core strength while being gentle on your joints. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, battle ropes offer something for everyone. So, stick around as we uncover the secrets behind this powerful exercise tool and show you how to make the most out of your battle rope sessions. Ready to unleash the power of battle ropes? Let's get into it. First, full body workout. Battle ropes are versatile fitness tools that provide a comprehensive workout by engaging multiple muscle groups at once. When you use battle ropes, you activate your arms, shoulders, core, and legs simultaneously. The movement of whipping the ropes up and down or side to side requires effort from your entire body. This multi-muscle engagement not only builds strength across various muscle groups but also enhances overall endurance. For instance, as you perform the exercise, your shoulders and arms work to move the ropes, your core stabilizes your torso, and your legs contribute to maintaining a stable base. This holistic approach ensures that you're developing muscle strength and stamina throughout your entire body. Cardiovascular improvement. Battle ropes offer a potent cardiovascular workout due to their high-intensity nature. As you engage in continuous, vigorous movements with the ropes, your heart rate increases significantly. This elevated heart rate helps in improving cardiovascular fitness by strengthening the heart and lungs. Over time, consistent use of battle ropes can lead to better heart health and increased stamina. The exercise not only boosts your aerobic capacity but also aids in enhancing endurance, making it an effective choice for improving overall cardiovascular performance. Increased calorie burn. The intensity of battle rope exercises results in a substantial calorie expenditure. The rapid and continuous movement involved in these exercises demands a lot of energy, leading to a higher calorie burn compared to many other workouts. This high calorie burn is beneficial for those looking to lose weight or improve overall fitness. By incorporating battle ropes into your routine, you can create an effective workout that aids in fat loss and supports a healthy metabolic rate. Enhanced core strength. Battle rope exercises require a significant amount of core engagement to maintain balance and stabilize the body during the dynamic movements. As you perform these exercises, your abdominal and lower back muscles are heavily involved in keeping your torso steady. This constant engagement helps in building and strengthening the core, which is crucial for overall stability and functional strength. A strong core not only enhances your performance in other exercises but also improves posture and reduces the risk of lower back injuries. Low impact on joints. One of the key advantages of battle ropes is their relatively low impact on the joints. Unlike high-impact exercises such as running or jumping, battle rope workouts are gentler on the joints while still providing a challenging workout. The exercises primarily involve upper body and core movements, with minimal stress on the knees, hips, and ankles. This makes battle ropes an excellent option for individuals who are seeking a lower-impact alternative to more strenuous exercises, especially those with joint concerns or recovering from injuries. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into battle ropes. As you can see, these ropes are more than just a fun gym accessory. They're a fantastic tool for a full body workout, enhancing cardiovascular health, burning calories, and strengthening your core. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your favorite battle rope exercise. And I will also recommend you to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.